Guys, chicken legs on the griddle can be a little cumbersome. I want to show you a little hack that I do for chicken legs on the griddle, and it's going to be some good groceries. Let's get started, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, so here we are, just standard run-of-the-mill chicken legs, whatever chicken legs manufacturer that you like to use. Take you a sharp knife. I like to use like a boning knife, or let's say like a paring knife, or just something that has a little bit of a flex to it. And take a slit and just run right down the center of that, and then you can see the bone right there. See it? And then just take your sharp knife and just start going around that bone. And what this is going to do is going to open up a lot of surface area on this chicken leg. In turn, gives you a lot of surface area for the griddle, which means flavor. Woo! Flavor! You can take it all the way off if you want to and not even have a bone. But you know what's good about having a bone? It's a dang handle. I mean, when you have food that's a handle, ain't nothing no better. Ain't nothing no better. So this one right here, I think we're good. All right, there we go. And just flares it out. That allows you, it just cooks faster. It's all around better. I want to do the rest of these, and we're gonna come right back. All right, don't you go anywhere, because I got a sauce that's gonna be so good. All right. That right there is nice and clean. Look at that right there. That's exactly what you want. It takes a little bit of time just to kind of get your feels for it. But once you do it, it's like riding a bike. Just like riding a bike. Alrighty. We're going to season them. I would say season them up with whatever you like. I'm just using just a general barbecue rub. Okay. And season it pretty liberally. This would be a good time too. Pre-warm your griddle. You're going to pre-warm it on just on a low heat. We want these to go kind of low because chicken legs, you still want to take those really, really high. I'm talking like 180 degrees internal temperature plus, okay? They can take the heat. It's not like a chicken breast. All right, with our griddle pre-warmed and on low, I'm just going to do a little spritz of this avocado olive oil spray. I want to take our chicken legs and we'll go cut side down. Make sure you flare out those wings. We're going to let these go for about 3 to 4 minutes on this one side. We're going to flip them, do the other side. And again, you want to take these to, chicken's done at 165 degrees. Chicken legs, definitely want to go 185, 190 degrees. I'm going to get this cleaned up. And we got a pretty awesome sauce that I want to get prepared for y'all. A little Alabama white sauce. Yes, going to the great state of Alabama. And it's a pretty good sauce. I've made the Alabama white sauce before and it is really good. This is what makes it white. A little bit of mayonnaise. And in case you didn't know, down below there's going to be a full recipe for you, and also a link to the website where the full recipe is as well. So right now I'm just kind of dumping and stirring. Have no fear, look down below, you'll have your recipe. A little bit of spicy brown mustard, prepared horseradish. And this is what kind of makes this really nice. It has that bite to it that you're like, ooh, what is that? It's that horseradish. So right here's a little cayenne pepper. I would say use as little or as much as you like for your level of spiciness. So right here's just a little bit of paprika. I like to use a little sour cream. Cuts through all that, kind of gives a little bit more creaminess. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Do a little pinch of salt. And I like to add a little dash of, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, okay? I think that's about all I got. It's got a lot of ingredients in it. Man, it has a very flavorful punch to it. Got to mixing that up, realize need a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder and pepper. Got a little ahead of myself. I'm looking forward to this. Ooh, doggies. Now, one thing I might add, you might want to make this the night before. It's just gonna all the flavors. It's gonna chill out, relax, get into that sauce. If you don't have the time, it's fine. I'm not. Let's give it a little try. That horseradish, I love the horse. If you don't like horseradish, you can skip that, but makes it so good. Makes it so good. Oh, brown sugar. I need a brown sugar. That's the sweet I'm missing. It's sitting right here beside of me. My mama always said if it had been a snake, it would have bit you. There we go. Just that level of sweet. Want to do a little honey? You could do honey for some sweet, but the sweet is needed. I got to think when I tried that, I was like, where's my sweet? There we go. Let's give it a try now. There we go. That was good. That was real good. It was good before the brown sugar. Our chicken legs, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's give it a look. Ready? Yeah, there we go. You can see that it's all that caramelization that you wouldn't normally get if you just kept on just kind of rolling it. You kind of get a little frustrated with it. That's where butterflying those out really makes it nice. I want to come in with just a little bit more of this spray, not a lot. Love that spray because it's real light. It's not a lot. Just makes it much better. Going to give these another 3 to 4 minutes on this side. We're just going to keep flipping these, cooking them, just until they're done, y'all. Our chicken is almost done. 160, 165 degrees, give or take. Measure that with an instant read thermometer. I thought it'd be good. Take a little bit of our sauce and just kind of pour right over our chicken legs. This is going to create a lot of flavor as well. So just want to let that go kind of over the chicken. Now we're going to flip it because I like the cut place a lot better because it's a lot of surface area right there. A lot of that white sauce can get in all those nooks and crannies too. And this right here is just going to finish these off so well. Smells so good. I smell that horseradish. Yeah, buddy. All right. We're going to let these go for probably another, I don't know, 5 minutes max. Just let that get nice and cooked. And the chicken should be up to about 180 degrees whenever we're ready, all right? All right, guys, it's been about 4 minutes. And one thing I failed to say, whenever we basted our chicken legs, our butterflied legs in that Alabama white sauce is, I flipped these. I just kind of flipped them and just kept flipping them. And in that sauce just kind of, it just kind of melted onto the griddle top, which is good. But I just wanted to make sure, I just kind of flipped those. All right, there we go. Look at that. Boy, those things are beautiful. A little bit of a finishing touch here. What I like to do is serve a little bit of this white sauce kind of on the side, but just have a little bit on the chicken. This one right here has got my name written all over it. Whoo, you see that little piece right there? That's mine. That's Hussey's. Oh, God. You see that? Crunchy? Oh, man, that's so good. Get a little bit more of that right there. Y'all, this is the way to eat chicken legs. I'm going to tell you that right now. That's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Y'all, this would be a great little game day. This would be a great wedding meal for Pete's sake. Let's just say it right now. I'll wash it down a little bit. I guarantee your folks will love it. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network. You'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.